أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اللهم ربنا زدنا علما وارزقنا فهما واجعلنا من أصحاب القرآن واجعلنا من عبادك الصالحين آمين يا رب العالمين. Once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, let me give link for Sister Iram. Thank you so much for joining in our class today.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah. Okay, Sister Iram, okay. One. Okay, this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Inshallah, she will be able to join us. Yesterday, we were doing Sarf Kabir of Mudari and Madi from Hada Yahdi. And then now we are going to discuss the Masdar, yeah. So we did Hada, we did Yahdi, and then we are now on the word Hudan. A few weeks ago, I saw a post in Bayina family, a student asking about the word Hudan. The student says that Hudan is non-flexible because it ends with alif maksura, but then it has tanwin. She says, I thought non-flexible ism cannot take tanwin. It's always light. So what do you think? It is always light, non-flexible word? What do you think?
It is non-flexible.
Yeah, it is non-flexible. So non-flexible word like udan, maybe like ulaika, right? So these are non-flexible. Apalagi are non-flexible words always light? Anyone have answer for that? Yeah. Okay, so we have here no idea. Yeah. So I was checking some notes on this topic. In one class, Ustad said that with the word flex that is flexible, like Rabbun, Palamun, Kitabun, etc., it can be heavy or light. Flexible words can be heavy or light. We all know this. And then partly flexible, Yusufu, Yusufa, Yusufa, always,
Right.
always light. What about non-flexible? We cannot say non-flexible always light. Okay, if you explain this to the beginner student, you can say, yeah, okay, it's always light. That's fine. But then we discover that non-flexible is not always light. For example, the word hudan, yeah, it has tanwin, but when we have heavy version of non-flexible, we do not look for the light version. The same way, when we have in parenthesis light non-flexible, like alladhi, we don't look for the heavy version. It is what it is. There is no, opposite of it. Like, okay, so Hannah, Hudan is heavy. So the light version of it, no, we don't look for that. The same way Alladhi is light version because it has no tanwin. Or no, it basically it has al. Okay, it's out of topic. Let's say ulaika. Ulaika sounds like light. It has no tanwin. Then what is the heavy? Is it ulaikan? The light, the heavy version? No, we don't look for that. So that's what Ustad explaining in the class. Actually, it is. And what about Sarf Kabir of Masdar? Non-flexible remain unchanged in all statuses, hence irrelevant for being light and heavy. Ah, yeah, we can say irrelevant. Hmm. Irrelevant. Light or heavy. Yeah. But we cannot say always light, yeah. Now it's a Sarf Kabir. Ustad didn't do short tabir of the word hudan in the class, but just a reminder, for us that like huda, right? If we put al on it, since al doesn't like tanwin, just remove tanwin. Al huda, it is. So we have hudan and al huda. What else? Bapak nasab jar, hudan, 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 the same ya. We don't do hudun, hudan, hudin, no. Anyone want to add uh, to this explanation or maybe correction?
If when you put al, normally the word becomes flexible, but in this case, I don't think it can. Al huda, can it be flexible?
Yeah, so it cannot be flexible. We since we put al, we cannot do hudu, huda, hudi. No, it will stay al huda, al huda, al huda.
Mhm.
Yeah,
But for Sarf Kabir, we don't change the word.
yeah, and yeah, it doesn't change. Like hudan, 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 al huda, al huda, al huda. Hana, what about the pair? Like ani, aini, aini. Honestly, I don't know that. If anyone know, uh, kindly share with us.
Sorry?
Like this is one feminine, right? Because it ends with
Mhm.
alif maksura. What
Mhm.
about the two feminine or even three feminine? How to do soft kabir for this version? Yeah,
No, I think it remains the same.
it's
But
remain.
I am not sure, but I think it's
Yeah,
because we have not seen in the Quran any word like al hudu or
yeah. The two guidance, something like that. We don't see it in the Quran. Okay, so since it doesn't appear in the Quran, then we can skip it. But just for reference, if you have something about this, we would love to hear from you. Okay, thank you so much. That's for the Buddha. We can skip the short tabir of it. And now,
In the first ayah, it says Huda lil muttaqin, and muttaqin is plural, but the Huda is doesn't show the.
no. So why it has to be the same with the muttaqin?
I'm saying that it does not change.
Yeah, actually Hudan and al-muttaqin has nothing to do. So yeah, it's Hudan. We have fi'il mudari, fi'il madi, fi'il mudari masdar, and then ism fa'il. Ism fa'il is hadin. Okay. Who wanna do ism fa'il? Anyone wanna try to do ism fa'il? Short kabir.
Ha, it will be Hadun and Hadan and Hadin.
Hadun, hadan, hadin. Hadin. Like
Right?
this. Anyone? Is this correct? What do you think, Sister Mu'minah? Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. I think it's right. I don't know.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. Sister Mufiza? Your voice cut off.
Hadun, I never heard this word.
Oh, we cannot hear you clearly. Hadun? Yeah, maybe.
Hadun, this word do we see it in the Quran? Hadun, any word?
Okay, so I don't think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's do this again to figure out. So the root letter is ha, da, in, right? When we do ism
Yes.
fa'il in family number one, it should be rhyme with fa'ilun. So with the root letter hada, yeah, what it would be? It would be
Adiyun.
hadiyun. But the Arab doesn't like iyun. So they,
Oh, so it will be Hadaw.
yeah, they remove the ya. So it's hadin. Basically,
Din.
hadin is rofa.
Yes.
Yeah, it's rofa. It has e sound, it's rofa. Now it is confusing. It's not
Yes.
jar. Yeah, but it is nakis. And then
Yeah.
for the nasab, it becomes hadi, and then the ya comes back. Hadiyan.
Mm.
This is nasab, and then jar. Oh, E is my signature, Jar says. I won't take it back. Din again. It's Jar, so they share with
They,
Rafa.
Mhm.
Actually,
So the jar looks the same then.
yeah, Jar and Rafa look the same. Hadin, Hadian, Hadin.
Okay.
Hadin, Hadian, Hadin. Okay, so let's do the pair version. Two masculine. Ani, aini, aini, right? It's just the same.
Congratulations. You
Hmm.
have achieved what you set out to do.
Let's have Sister Adlina. Assalamualaikum.
These people that love you very much smile and give you a big
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Can you hear me?
you feel them
So
share
we solved the first line of Muslim chart, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, but this is a little bit different. Hadin, hadian, hadin. And the second line, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. So if the first one, ha, diani, what would be the next?
Hadian is Musliman, as you said.
Yeah, Muslimaini. So it become ha,
Hadiyain.
iya, hadiaini. And then
The same, right? Hadiyain.
same hadi. Ya ini. The plural,
Um, is it Una?
ya, una.
Hadiyuna.
Hadiyuna,
The first one, yeah.
ya, hadiyuna. Again, the Arab doesn't like it, so
Mhm.
ya, haduna.
Hadi.
Hmm. And then
Hadiyuna.
what do you think? Ha,
Dina,
hmm. Dina, hadi-
And it's our donor.
Hadauna, no. Uh, because we want to keep like it's hadi, yuna, right? Yeah. So remove the letter, the weaker letter, and as a representation of the ya, because ya has u, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Myself, the letter, the ya cannot be there, so at least something from me, which is dhamma, can be representation of me. That's what the ya says. And also, it's also like closer to wow instead of au, so it's more haduna. Uh, I think that's, we can check it. Let's see. Oh, I was looking on this. Even da'aya, da'u, da'a, da'iyan, da'in. Da'ayani, da'ayaini, da'ayaini, da'una, da'ina, da'ina. It's the same, right? Da'awa. Oh, we use word da'a. Okay. Yeah, there is no hadi, the bursar. Maybe we can see here is some file that we have. Let's check. Hadin, hadian, hadin, hadiani, hadiaini, hadiaini, haduna, hadina,
Okay.
hadina. Okay. Now with the feminine version, the ya comes back.
Okay.
Hadiyatun, hadiyatan, hadiyatan. Just like the normal version, right? I should make it like black. Because it's normal. Okay. Anyway, so that's the ism file. And all good? Any question?
yes, I think it's a good reminder.
Yeah, and then we want to add al on it. Alhamdulillah. Anyway, we have Sister Iram. Okay. We want to add al. He said we cannot have tanwin with al.
Al-Hadi,
Hadi. And then Al-Hadiyah. Hadi or Hadiah again? Let's check. Hadi or Hadi. Hadiah. Oh, Hadi. Hadiah. Hadi. Hadiah. Okay, guys. Let's see. It's a little bit confusing. Okay. Let's see. Hadi. We add al because al doesn't like tanwin. We remove the tanwin. It becomes hadi. Or if you want al hadi, that's also acceptable. Like we have two options for the rafa, with the ya, without the ya. This is rafa or jar.
Okay.
Yeah. Happy noon or tanwin starts drop. Yes, correct. And then the nasab will be nadia. Is that? Oh no, this nasab. Hadia is nasab, yeah. Al Hadiani is okay, right? No, doesn't drop with the alif lam. Remember, alif lam doesn't make ism light. Alif lam only does not like tanwin, but it can be together with nun. So that's the difference. So we don't have to drop the nun. Like al-muslimani, we don't say al-muslima or al-muslimi, right? We keep the nun. Yes, unless become light. I think the pair is normal. Al-hadiyah ini, al-hadiyah ini, al-hadiyah ini. The same way al-haduna, al-hadina, al-hadina. No, because this is irregular. Ah, okay. Al-hadiyah, al-hadiyai, al-hadiyai. Do I have it correctly? Anyone? I'm doubting my our notes. No way. No idea. Let's check together. Where should we go? Sorry. I just put it randomly. Please remember. Hmm. It's running. It's running. Why they drop the nun, yeah? Actually, why am I drop the nun? No, it's not here. Oh, So we have Sarf here. We have Nafis 100. Okay, here we go. We want it family 1.
Yeah, we are.
Yes.
Just turn back.
Down.
These. Okay, these are at the bottom. Okay.
Again. This is Savir. Okay, we have it here. Ism fa'il. They don't have it with al. Okay, guys. I should check with the video again. Inshallah, for tomorrow, I will come back to you. Because it doesn't have al here. No
I think
explanation.
the past tense is without the and then
Yeah?
the present has got the اسمه فاعل.
Up?
Oh,
No?
no, I don't know.
Yeah. Let me check the video, inshallah.
Okay, inshallah.
That is some fa'il. Yeah. Which one? Surat Al-Baqarah. Actually, we use the masdar, but it's good exercise with mu'tal. Mu'tal, sorry. And then we have mustaq words. The Rabbi, yeah, Rabbi is mustaq as well. And Sister Sarwat say, let's do Rabbi. Remember, it's from which family? From from family Sister Ira. Do you remember from which family? Assalamualaikum.
No, Sister Hana.
Yeah.
Walaikum assalam. I don't remember exactly.
Yeah. How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm getting better. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Your duas and everyone duas really got me, healed me.
Mm. So it is from family number 2, yeah, Allama. Let's see together.
So it is mudaf.
Yeah.
Is it mudaf?
Yeah, muda'af. Good. It's muda'af. So Rabba. Oh, it's not from family 2. It's from family 1. Rabba yarubbu. So we have the word Rab here. And the meaning also, like it's matched to be master or be lord, have possession. Yeah. Rabba yarubbu. So it's from Nasara, and the meaning lord or have possession. Based on the meaning, is this lazim or muta'addi?
It's muradi, I think.
Sorry, muta'addi?
Yes.
How do you translate the second line? Like the passive version.
Rabba.
Yeah, if for example, Rabba, This is the active version, right? It
Yes.
become he was a
Ru-
master.
Rub,
If we have the word rubia,
master of someone.
master of, no. Why do we add of? How do you turn the word he was a
Okay,
master?
then it can't be mutaddi.
Yeah, because we cannot make he was a master a passive, right? We cannot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So actually it is lazim.
Mhm.
Lazim. Okay. Mr. Sabiha, let's do sarf sagir of this.
Rabba, you Rabbi.
No. This is from family one, right? So it won't start with you. It cannot.
Rabba, you Rabbi.
So it is Nasoro Yan Suru or Nasoro Yun Soru.
Okay. Rabba,
Ya or you?
Yarubbo.
Iya, ya Rubbu. Then we have Rob, ya.
Uh,
Ban. And then what else? This four.
Will it be tarbiyatan? Because
No,
zakka yazukko, we say taskiyatan.
no, that's different family.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Iya, because Taskiatan, remember Ta'liman, that's from family two, right? Like Allama, Ya'limu, Ta'liman, from different
Okay.
family.
Uh,
So we can compare from that family, inshallah, but let's do Sarf Sogir from Nasara first.
okay.
Robban, uh, it's not like ribaban, ya, ribabatan.
Uh,
Bahwa
what can be simplified? I can't remember.
fa'ilun,
Rababan,
no, fa'ilun, ro,
Raibun.
robibun, right? Because it has the same robaba,
Okay.
robibun. But they want to fuse it together with shadda, so it's become rabbun,
Okay.
like janun.
Mm-hmm.
And because it is lazim, we don't have second line. So al-amru minhu, like,
Rub.
yeah. Oh, I forgot. Again, actually with mudha'af, we have three kinds of amr and three kinds of nahi. So I think it's rubba, rubbi, urbu. Rubba, rubbi,
Be.
urbu. Let's check together. Nafis, goodbye for now. Thank you. I don't know how many times I come back to this document, but cannot remember. Always need to come back again and again, mashallah. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yes, we have it here. Like for example, we have habba, al-amru minhu, hibba, hibba because why it is he? The ha get he is not hubba or habba because the mudhari got he. Yeah, hibbu. So that's why it's he. Where what we have here is u. That's why ru is not ra or rari. It should match
Okay.
with the mudhari, right? But then hibba, hibbi. So a and e. That's why we have here rubba, rubbi.
Would be.
And then urbu, it's matched with the normal version. Unsur, urbu.
Okay.
Yeah. Then the oh, everything all good.
Yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. So we look for the fa kalima and the fa kalima and the lam kalima.
Yeah.
Not sorry, and the lam kalima.
Yes, that's it. So
And
one nahi anhu ya. Go ahead, Sister Salihah.
La tarub,
Yeah. Tarub ba
taruba,
and then
la
la.
tarubi,
Mhm.
la tarbub,
Ya, la tansur la tarbu. Tarbu. Okay, the last was zarfu minhu. Zarfu minhu mansorun.
tar, tar,
It start
tarba,
with ma, like mansorun.
marba. Okay, ya, marbu, marba,
Mansorun, okay, marbabun, right?
mhm,
But they wanna
ma-
fuse together.
mar, marabun.
Yeah, marbun, marabun. So we have shadda, but we cannot, right? Sukun met with shadda. How come we cannot read it? Bun, no. Okay, so it's actually marubun.
Okay,
Mansor.
and maruban,
Okay, mansirun. It's
maribun.
Iya,
Maribun.
mari